afternoon. I've been spending most of today editing because I've gotten so behind. I meant to do, as y'all know, I've been meaning to do Vlogmas, as in, vlogging every day of December until Christmas Eve. Obviously, that has not been the case. At this point, we are after Christmas and I miss almost half of the day. But hey, I have been posting more often and that was my main goal in doing all of this. So today we've gotten some Christmas cookies done.
Sprinkles all over it with no icing.
Oh, that's what most of hers, you can tell which ones hers are because she put like a little bit of icing and then like a mountain of sprinkles. That's why there's so many sprinkles on her plate.
Ah! And I'm eating some of my sprinkles.
Mm-hmm.
Squeeze in. Okay, hold on. Where's the so mama?
Yeah, if you want some type of way. Hi. He's mad at me because I haven't been petting him much today. Oh no. How dare I not pet His Majesty. Alright, Richie and the kids are at the grocery store getting some stuff together, and they might actually be sleeping over at Nana's house tonight, which is Richie's mom, in case you don't know. Nana is Richie's mom, and she texted me, apparently, 30 minutes ago without me realizing, hey, would the girls like to sleep over tonight? Yeah, sure. Oh, God, butt in the face. So, that's apparently the thing. Anyway, I am in the process of cleaning up now. I'm gonna get some dishes done. Because, the eternal struggle, dishes, always dishes. I need some light emphasis on the, not S. Anyway, so I had warmed up some chocolate just in case we wanted to have any, and pretty much just used it on one cookie, and then the girls were like, I want some chocolate too! So I put some chocolate on some of theirs. But the main one I wanted, I had this in mind. So I needed some chocolate. Because I knew that we did not have enough black icing to do that. So, yeah, normally I get extra icing, but I didn't think that far ahead. So normally whenever we do cookies, I actually have a video on it from several years back. I'm gonna have to link that in the card, whichever side it is. I'll link it in the card, I'll link it in the description. Y'all can go back and watch it, where I talk about how we do cookie decorating in our house. I'll put the cookies in the main slot, and then I separate icing and sprinkles, and yeah, but no, this go around, the icing was only this little bitty thing that came with the box, because I got, let's see, hold on, I had to move. So yeah, from Walmart, got the ugly sweater cookie decorating kit. I don't know, I figured that'd be fun. And the girls enjoyed it, I enjoyed it, Richie enjoyed it. They taste good, by the way. That's a big bonus. It's not sugar cookies, it's shortbread cookies, which personally I like even more. I opened the thing, I was like, Richie, these are shortbread cookies. I had memories ingrained of smelling the cookie while, the little circle shortbread cookies, you stick them on your finger and just eating it in a circle. Yeah, I had that memory just pop into my head just with the smell, and I miss those days. Do they even make those cookies anymore? If they do, you'll need to let me know, because I have yet to see them, and I miss them. Those were good and cheap, which is always a bonus. Anyway, I really do need to get back to cleaning. Another dishes montage. Okay, so real quick, this is Richie's Christmas present right here. Yes, that is my address, so I am blocking it. But yeah, him one last year, and he actually requested another one for Christmas this year. I was like, that's boring. So I'm gonna surprise him with one more thing that he doesn't know that I bought. But oh goodness, it's cold, and I am not wearing long pants. Let's see. So this is Richie's Christmas present last year. This is the one that we got another of this year, and then there's a extra little portable. But yeah, as you can see, you can fold it. You can fold that down, and then it's a sawhorse. And so with two of them, he now has two sawhorses. Where it's not two sawhorses, it's, you know, a good sized little work table. So works for us. Onyx. Hi, baby. They don't want you. That's why they're right there. Alright, so I had the date wrong. It's actually the next day, and now the girls are sleeping over at Nana's. For some reason, I didn't catch the tomorrow part whenever she asked for them to sleep over. Whatever. Either way, they're at Nana's house, and so I'm by myself, and so the cats have realized that that is a closet, and they can hide there. And 2 out of the 3 have gotten in there so far. He has not, so he is determined to check it out. Griffin, don't dig a hole in my closet door! Excuse me, sir. You are not needed there. Please stop. Oh, hi. Anyway, so my point being, I am going to wrap presents, so I guess I'll just have you guys watch. I don't know. Alrighty. I'm gonna watch. I don't know. Alright, so I need to get Richie's done first so he doesn't see what it is. I mean, he knows what that is, but he doesn't know what the brown box is. So yeah, I need to do that one first because he should be getting home in the next hour or 2. So. Hey! Don't you scratch up my floors and my sofas and my everything. You cat. On guard. This is their first Christmas, and so this is gonna be their first time seeing wrapping paper. This is gonna be fun. No, sir. I love you. Do you love me? Let me love you.